Hello, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report. Reminder, this is for educational purpose only, shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options carry risk. Hey, I want to remind everybody that my webinar from last week on weekly option trading, right at the bottom of the page, give it a look. And this Saturday, trading weekly and daily option strategies should be a really great webinar. You can get yourself signed up. Use code right here. Use code 100 off, like that. Takes 125 bucks off the price. Not bad. So do that. Speaking of doing that, here we are. We've got the elections out of our way. And lo and behold, the snozberries taste like snozberries. What we expected to happen happened. GOP picked up a couple of seats in the Senate, and the House flipped to the Dems. Then we, it's kind of, so what do I think? I think that actually takes some of the heat off of social media companies, right? Because Facebook and Google and Amazon, big, Democratic supporting companies. I think that's good for them. It has zero effect on the financials. The area it could affect things is defense. Saw this. This is kind of an interesting point. Aerospace, because there'll be some less demand for some different products, and there'll be less want to build up the defense budget. So that actually I think is where we could see a little bit of kind of seasonality or trading across the spectrum. But as expected, in general, now that we've got kind of the Band-Aid ripped off, we're able to have a relief rally. And the S&P is now through the 200-day moving average, right back through, roared through. That's the thing about these moving averages, right? And all technicals. They really work until you have some sort of news, and we just blow right through them either way. That's the problem with using technicals. I like technical trading intraday, not I like it intraday, not interday, if that makes sense. I like technical trading intraday, not interday. If you're saying, well, where could we lose? IWM is barely up. Continues to be soft. It's nowhere near its 200-day. The QQQs are, in fact, leading the way. They blew back through the 200. And the Dow Diamonds, they're almost back to the 50. That's how strong that is. So the big three all look really strong today. The rut, which has been soft, continues to look soft. Looking at VIX, we're back to contango. You've got the VIX cash under Nove, which is flat with December. If December didn't have seasonality, it would be trading like 1780. But you can see we're actually below Jan, below Feb. Now it's a very flat curve. But we are back in a slight contango. I think there's the potential for us to have a 15 VIX by the end of the week. I think we could get there. Another day or two of kind of creeping back to 2,800, and you're looking at a VIX that's 15. All right, so that's kind of the way we're lining up. I think we'll probably stick around here, maybe go up a little bit, maybe go down a little bit, but that's kind of the way we're lining up for the day. All right, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or call me 888-TRADE-01.